Good morning, everyone. HelloNote is excited to announce a new feature that lets clients spread their payments. Therapists now have the ability to provide a budget-friendly option, allowing payments to be spread over multiple visits rather than requiring patients to pay upfront. Let's dive deeper into this feature. After selecting a specific patient from the list, proceed by clicking on the Visits and Receipts tab located at the upper right corner. Once redirected to the Visits page, you'll see a list of visits, each with detailed information such as payment amounts and balances. For the test spread payment case, there are 4 visits in total from June 1st to June 22nd, with a payment due of $265 on June 1st. Begin by clicking the Actions button next to the June 1st visit and selecting Apply Payment. When the pop-up window opens, click the green Add button at the top right and enter an amount. For demonstration, I'll enter $100. Then click the Save button at the bottom. Now, you'll see the payment amount for June 1st is $100, with a remaining balance of $165. To distribute the $100 across multiple visits, click the Actions button next to June 1st again and select Auto Balance. This time, you'll have a new option called Spread Payment. Select it, and you'll see a list of visits associated with the same case, each with an input field for entering amounts. I'll distribute $25 to the latest visit, $60 to the second visit, and $15 to the first visit. Once saved, the other 3 visits will have updated balances, allowing payments to be spread out more budget-friendly for patients. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or concerns about the steps for spreading a payment across multiple visits, please feel free to reach out.